Hey, this is Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. On behalf of my partner, Peter Wolfing, I'm going to welcome you to the free toolbox. As a matter of fact, we're at this beautiful park here. You can see the ducks, the geese, and so forth in the beautiful water. But hey, listen, my friend, let me ask you a question. How would you like to get paid to generate leads for any business? Now, wait a minute. I didn't say generate leads. I said get paid to generate leads for any and every business. Let me ask you a question. Wouldn't you like to save money, make money in both? Wouldn't you like to do both sooner or later? Hey, listen, let me ask you this question, my friend, and actually make a statement that I think that you can identify with. The number one thing that people are missing is marketing. What if we could teach you 101 ways of marketing, over 50 years of experience distilled down into short, bite-sized videos that would teach you how to market any business? And what if we taught you how to get paid to generate leads? And let's go a step further. We don't use people to build our business. We use our business to build people. So guess what? We're talking about you can get started for as little as $1.25. That's right. What about getting started for 5 quarters? 5 quarters to start your business. So as low as $1.25. And why do we do that? So many people have been hurt, they've been used, they've been abused, they've been scammed. And so we, my friend, want to bring integrity. We want to help you. We want to help build your company. So wherever you want to go in life, whatever you want to accomplish, through the free toolbox, we can help you get there faster and easier. We're going to provide mentors who can inspire you, give you a model that you can follow, teach you methods you can implement. And the speed of your implementation will determine the speed of your success. There's a whole lot of information we can give you, but give your information. Put your information in, give your name, your email address, my friend, and you'll get more information. If this is not for you, we understand, but guess what? We're going to have 250,000 to 500,000 people in 2 years or less. You might as well be part of it, my friend. So we love helping people, and again, $1.25. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Hey, it's the start that stops most people. Don't let the start stop you. Get started now, because if not, you could be poor. See, the most expensive thing is when you miss the right opportunity. Don't miss this one, especially for 5 quarters you can get started. 5 quarters, come on, join now.